Hey everyone, Gil at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about portable heat. And some of you are kind of thinking portable heat, oh, I know what he means. He means like the hand warmers and those little pocket warmers. Not exactly. Those are portable heat, but not the portable heat I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about something a little bit more substantial than just that. Something for you to consider. Something, well, I'm not affiliated with this, but something I got and it works pretty good. It's the Little Buddy. It's got the oxygen sensor on it, and it's good for portable heat, and easy to pick it up just like I had it there. You can use it in a tent. You can use it, in a car, but you want to do still. Either one, you want to have some ventilation going through, even though it does have the oxygen sensor in there. You want to have heat that if you're stuck somewhere, you have heat where you don't have to worry about carbon monoxide poisoning, and enough to keep you alive and hopefully a little comfortable too. There are other ones similar to this that you can use as well that provide heat. There are other ones that are, besides being propane, there are some alcohol heaters. There are some sterno heaters, which is a type of gelled alcohol. But there are other ways to get warm in emergency situations where you need to have that warmth to keep from freezing. All right. Also, I want to remind everybody that winter starts here in a couple days. Actually, starts in 2 days. And this winter season, there is the possibility of, I don't want to put this without getting in trouble with my sources. There's a possibility of expanded heating problems across the United States, and in particular certain regions. So you could wind up with not being able to order propane or not be able to order fuel oil, or the gas system, the natural gas system, having pump failures. So you want to have backup heat. Now, if you have a wood-burning stove for your house and you have more than enough wood to last you through into May or June, great. If not, you may want to think about getting some portable heat that you can use. Something like the Little Buddy, the Buddy, and the Big Buddy can be moved from room to room in your house if you need to. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medication, clothing, and add a new skill. All right. You really need to get prepared for something trouble-wise this winter.